Welcome to the Superior Court for the County of San Francisco Traffic Division. Traffic court is a court of law just like any other court. You're expected to be always respectful of the court and each other. Please do not interrupt the judge when they are speaking. Court proceedings are being audio recorded. The record will be incomplete if there are interruptions or noise in the courtroom. You have the right to have the citation, which is the ticket, read to you in open court. You have the right to be represented by an attorney at your own expense. You have the right to enter a plea to the charges against you. You may plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest. If you wish to plead guilty, you may do so. Your guilty plea, however, is an admission of the charge violation. A plea of no contest has the same effect as a guilty plea, except that it cannot be used against you in any civil action. You have the right to use the power of the court to subpoena records or witnesses to testify on your behalf. You have the right to confront and cross-examine prosecution witnesses. You have the right to remain silent. That is the right against self-incrimination. You have the right to have a trial within 45 days of today's date. If you want a later date, you can give up this right, and we will set a date after 45 days. You have a right to appeal the court's decision. If you don't understand these rights, please request a further explanation from the court. If you have a fix-it ticket and have corrected the violation, the fix-it charge will be dismissed once you pay a $25 correction fee per correctable violation. Please hand the clerk to your right a copy of the corrected citation when asked to do so by the court. If you have a moving violation that would put 1 point on your driving record, you may have up to 3 options today if you are eligible for traffic school. If you have a non-moving violation like jaywalking, littering, a violation while operating your bicycle, or a moving violation that puts 2 points on your driving record, you only have 2 options today because these types of offenses are not eligible for traffic school. The first option for all cases is to plead no contest or guilty for a reduced fine and time to pay. This is an option for those who would like to resolve the case today and do not want to go to trial or return to court. Fine reductions are based on the original amount and at the discretion of the judge. The second option involves traffic school on some moving violations. You can elect traffic school if you are charged with a 1-point moving violation and if you are eligible. If you plead no contest or guilty, or if you are found guilty at trial, then the point related to your citation will show on your record. Points stay on your record for 3 years and 1 month from the date of the ticket. Points can affect your insurance rates, driver's license, and/or employment. Traffic school is a way to keep points off your record. However, if you are eligible to attend traffic school, are referred by the court, and complete it within 90 days of your plea, that point will not appear on your record. You are eligible for traffic school if you are cited for a violation while operating a motor vehicle, not a bicycle, you haven't attended for a previous ticket or citation in the past 18 months, and the charge you are facing carries only 1 point. The 18 months is calculated from violation date to violation date. Some charges, such as driving with a suspended license, carry 2 points. These types of violations are not eligible for traffic school. If requested, the court can reduce your fine and give you up to 90 days to pay and file proof of completion of traffic school. The third option for all cases is to plead not guilty and set the matter for trial. If you wish to contest the ticket and face the officer who cited you, we will set your trial for a future date. If you wish to assert your right to a speedy trial, the court will assign you a date within 45 days from today's date. If you give up your right to a speedy trial, the court will assign you a trial date after 45 days. In either case, if you set a trial and then fail to appear, the trial will still go forward without you. Thank you for listening. The judge will be out shortly.